So question number 43 from 2014 board exam is given that integration 2x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 1 upon twice x minus 1 dx. Now this is an improper rational function. Degree of numerator is greater than the degree of denominator. So we have to divide these polynomials. So if we divide this polynomial 2x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 1, right? We have to divide by twice x minus 1. So here power is 2x cube. Here is 2x already. So if we multiply by x square, then this becomes 2x cube. So this is 2x cube minus x square. Right? Compulsory we have to subtract this. So this minus 0 and 5 plus 1 is 6x square plus 3x and plus 1. Right? Now 6x square. So what we need here? 3x. Right? So plus 3x. So this is 6x square minus 3x and minus plus. This is 0, this is 6x plus 1, right? And if we divide this with multiply by 3, what we get? 3 into 2, 6x minus 1, that is minus 3. So this is minus, this is plus. So this is 4, right? So this is written as, therefore, I is equal to, I am writing here, right? So I is equal to integration. This is written as x square plus 3x plus 3 and plus remainder is 4 upon twice x minus 1 dx. Right? This is the answer of this. Right? Now, integrating this, what we get? Integration. This is x square plus 3x plus 3, right? dx plus integration of this is twice x is 2. So here is 4. So I am taking 2 outside and then 2 upon twice x minus 1 dx. Got it? So answer of this is equal to x cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2 plus 3x and plus 2 times log mod twice x minus 1 plus c, because derivative of the denominator is in numerator as we discussed, right? So proper answer will be x cube by 3 plus 3 by 2x square plus 3x plus 2 times log mod twice x minus 1 plus c. That is your option number B is your correct answer. In PDF there is a option A, but that is not. Option number B is your correct answer. So make change in answer. Option number B is your correct answer. Right? So this is the answer. Right? Now then question number 44 is small ones and we have a space. So we are solving here. Integration root x square plus 1 whole upon x square dx, x raised to 4 dx is equal to blank, and this is also from 2014 exam, right? So this is also from 2014 exam, right? Now see here, this is x square plus 1. If we assume x square plus 1 is equal to t square, then what about this? So this makes a problem to you. So instead of that, see here is power of the numerator is not an integer, is fraction, right? So taking x common, that is x square common. If we take x square common, it become I is equal to integration x outside, and this is root 1 plus 1 upon x square whole upon x raised to 4 dx. So your I will be this is x cube. So this is integration square root of 1 plus 1 upon x square into 1 upon x cube dx. Now as we discussed earlier, if we take highest power common, then assume for this is equal to t square. So assuming 1 plus 1 upon x square is equal to t square, what we get? So let 1 plus 1 upon x square is equal to t square. So answer of this, derivative of this, 1 is 0, 1 upon x square is minus 2 upon 1 power more, that is x cube dx is equal to twice t dt. This 2 will be cut, but we have only 1 upon x cube, so taking minus to opposite side. So therefore 1 upon x cube dx is equal to minus t dt. So I will be integration. This is root t square, that is t. So this is t, and dx 1 upon x cube dx. This part is minus t dt. So this is minus t dt. So integration of this is minus, and t square integration is t cube by 3, right? So this is t cube by 3 and plus c. So answer will be minus 1 upon 3. And what is t? T is root 1 plus 1 upon x square. So 1 plus 1 upon x square is t whole the power 3, and this is in root, so 3 by 2 plus c. So proper answer will be minus 1 upon 3, right? So if we take simplify this, then for getting your answer which is given in your option, we have to simplify this. So I am writing here simplification. So I is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Now taking LCM, this becomes x square plus 1 upon x square raised to power 3 by 2 and plus c, right? So this is minus 1 upon 3 x square plus 1 raised to 3 by 2, and this is x square raised to 3 by 2 and plus c. So these two will be cut. So minus 1 upon 3 x cube minus 1 upon 3 x cube into 1 plus x square raised to 3 by 2. That is option B is your correct answer. So option B is your correct answer. Got it? So you have to simplify according to what is the given, right, in your option, right? If it is like this, then leave it. But it is not given in this form, it is given in this form, then you have to simplify according to given answer. What you need, your need is priority in answer, okay? Next question is question number 45. Sin x upon under root, sin x upon only 1 plus sin x dx. As you know, if there is a in denominator 1 plus sin x, you have to divide it and multiply by 1 minus sin x. So divide and multiply by 1 minus sin x. What we get? Sin x into 1 minus sin x whole upon, this is 1 plus sin x, and we multiply and divide by 1 minus sin x. So this is 1 minus sin x dx. So multiplying this, what we get? This is integration sin x minus sin square x whole upon 1 plus sin x, 1 minus cos x. Sorry, 1 minus sin x is cos square x, right? Therefore, this is cos square x dx. And you know, this is a very preliminary example. We practice lots of example like this. So separating this, what we get? Integration sin upon cos, sin x upon cos x, and 1 cos is more, so 1 upon cos x minus this is tan square x, sin square x upon cos square x dx, right? Now this is tan into 1 upon cos is sec. So this is integration tan x into sec x minus tan square x, right? And you know there is no integration of tan square x, but you have a formula. There integration of tan square x is tan x minus x, right? And if you don't want to write directly, then convert this into sec square x minus 1 and dx, right? So now integration of tan x into sec x. Tan x into sec x is the derivative of sec x. So integration of tan x into sec x is sec x. So this is sec x minus integration of sec square x is tan x, and minus minus plus integration of 1 is x and our plus c. That is for 45 answer will be correct answer is your option number B. So option number B is your correct answer. Right? Then question number 46 from 2015 quiz board exam, and this will be, I think so, for 3 or 2 marks, right? Now, as you know, we have to rearrange the term, so we are taking 3 and 1 because sum of these 3 and 1 is 4 and divide by 2 is 2, and we will get subtract 3 minus 1 is 2. So there is a addition or subtraction, you get the another term. So we are taking this as a group. So I is equal to, also while it is given in multiplication form, we need 2 always. There is no 2. Therefore divide and multiply by 2. So we get 1 upon 2 integration 2, keeping larger angle first, sine 3x into sine x into sine twice x dx. Now you have formula 2 sine A sine B, cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. So applying that formula, 1 upon 2 integration cos A minus B is 3 minus 1 is twice x, minus cos A plus B is 3 plus 1 is 4x, and this is sine twice x dx, right? So again multiply this, what we get? So this is 1 upon 2 integration, this is cos twice x into sine twice x, and minus cos 4x into sine twice x, and bracket over dx. Once again, cos A cos B, sorry, cos A sine B. So we need 2. So we multiply by 2. Here we multiply by 2. That means we have to divide by 2 together for whole integral. So this becomes 1 upon 4. Integration. Now this is 2 sine theta cos theta. This is theta. This is theta. Then answer is sine 2 theta. So 2 into 2 is 4. So this is sine 4x minus 2 cos A sine B. Sine minus sine. So 2 cos A sine B means sine minus sine. Sine A minus B and sine A plus B. Either 2 cos A sine B means sine A plus B is cos 6x minus sine A minus B is 4 minus 2 is twice x and dx. And dx, right? So what we get here now, this is sine 4x, 2 cos A sine B is sine A plus B minus sine A minus B, and 2 sine A cos B is sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Oh sorry, I forget to write sine A plus B minus sine A minus B is twice x and dx. Sorry, right? So now integrating this, what we get? 1 upon 4. Integration of sine 4x is minus cos 4x divided by 4 minus integration of sine 6x is minus, so minus minus plus cos 6x divided by 6, minus minus plus, and integration is minus, so answer is again minus cos twice x divided by 2 and plus c, right? So if we multiply this, what we get is minus 1 upon 16 cos 4x plus 1 upon 24 cos 6x and minus 1 upon 8 cos twice x plus 6. Now comparing with this cos 6x, so cos 6x has p. So what is p? Therefore p is equal to, coefficient of cos 6x is 1 upon 24. So 1 upon 24. Q is the coefficient of cos 4x. Not is 45. It is cos 4x. Right? So cos 4x is minus 1 upon 16. So minus 1 upon 16. And coefficient of cos 2x is minus 1 upon 8. So r is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So sum of 1 upon p plus 1 upon q plus 1 upon r. So therefore 1 upon p plus 1 upon q plus 1 upon r, that is 24 minus 16 minus 8 is equal to 24 minus 24, that is 0. So your answer is 0, that is option D. That is option D is your correct answer, right? Got it? So this is a nice question for 2 marks. Okay. Question number 47. is a question from 2015. I think all of are from 2015 and few are from 2016, right? So this is x raised to 2014. If we assume for this, then we derivative of this is 2014 x raised to 2013. So there is no x raised to 2013. So divide and multiply by x raised to 2013. So this become x raised to 2014, right? X raised to 2014 plus 1 and dx. So this is the hint. See, this is 2014 and here is x. So 1 less, if we multiply by 1 less, then this become again 2014. So this type of, in this type of example, you will take the hint like this, right? So now assume for this, let x raised to 2014 is equal to t. So answer will be 2014, right? X raised to 2013 dx is equal to dt. But we have only x raised to 2014 dx. So x raised to 2013 dx is equal to dt upon 2014, right? So this is dt upon 2014. So I is equal to integration. This is dt upon 2014. Now this is x raised to 2014 is t, and this is t plus 1, and this 1 upon 2014 is I am writing outside. Now this is 1, and you know what to do, adjust denominator in numerator. So what we get, 1 upon 2014 integration, this is I am writing t plus 1 minus t whole upon t into t plus 1 dt, right? So by forgetting this, what we get, 1 upon 2014 integration, this will be cut. So 1 upon t and minus, if you forget this, then 1 upon t plus 1. So 1 upon t plus 1, right? And dt. Okay, so answer of this I am writing here, right? This is 1 upon 2014 log mod t. So log mod t minus, derivative denominator is in numerator. So minus 1 upon, minus log mod t plus 1 and plus c. So answer of this is 1 upon 2014 log mod t upon t plus 1 plus c. And what is t? T is 2014. So your proper answer is 1 upon 2014 log x raised to 2014 upon 2014 plus 1. That is option A is your correct answer. So option A is your correct answer, right? So you have to go from here to here, and your answer is 2014. That is option A. Now sec square x, integration of sec square x is 10x, but coefficient of x is minus 1 upon 5, so you have to divide by that. So answer will be I is equal to 10 3 minus x by 5 upon minus 1 upon 5 plus c, right? So proper answer of 48 is minus 5 times 10 3 minus x by 5, that is minus 5 times 10 3 minus x by 5, that is option C is your correct answer. So change answer in your pamphlet also, that is this is your correct answer, right? Now this is this question 49. We did this type of question, so this is your question number 30. So solve same question is 30. So same question, solve this question, do it yourself, right? So do it yourself, right? Then this is take 3 common, tan inverse formula, so do it yourself also. Bifurcate this, 1 upon sin square is cosec square x, cos upon sin cot into cosec, so you can do it. So do it yourself, some examples for practice. Now this is, we did this type of question like this, sin x raised to 209 13 upon sec is cos, so cos raised to this is 2013 into 1 upon cos square x. That is question number 33. So this is your question number 33. So this question is same as question number 33. So you can solve this. So do it yourself. Also this is you have to do. And this is sin square plus cos square. Similarly as this question, substitute 1 is equal to sin square plus cos square. So 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x whole upon sin square x into cos square x. Right? So bifurcate, you will get like this question. So this is also do it yourself. Right? So in this lecture, you have lots of questions for practice, and now in onwards lectures you will get similar questions. Right? So do practice for this type of questions. Question number 54 from 2016 board exam. Integration x plus 2 upon x square plus 4x minus 7. Right? So derivative of x square is twice x. There is no 2. So divide and multiply by 2. What we get? I is equal to 1 upon 2 integration multiply by 2, that is 2x plus 4 whole upon x square plus 4x minus 7 dx. Now derivative of 4x is 4. So derivative of the denominator is in numerator. So answer is log mod. Right? So answer will be 1 upon 2 log mod x square plus 4x minus 7 plus c. That is 54. Your answer will be option C. Right? So option C is your correct answer. Now this. We did this type of questions. This is I is equal to integration. This x comes here. So this becomes b raised to x. And this is e raised to x. Right? dx. So same question is similar question, C is 38 I think, right? So do it yourself for your practice, right? Now here 56 from 2016 board exam, it is cos x upon 1 minus 9 sin x raised to 1 upon 3 dx is equal to a into 1 minus 9 sin x into b plus c. Then we have to find out a plus b, right? So see here, this is power is 1 upon 3. Means we have to assume this as equal to t cube, and the derivative of this is cos x is already there. So assume that let 1 minus 9 sin x is equal to t cube. So derivative of this is minus 9 cos x dx is equal to 3t square dt. But we have only cos x dx. We have only cos x dx. So cos x dx is this 3 cancel. So this is 3. So cos x dx is equal to minus t square by 3 dt. Cos x dx is minus t square by 3 dt. Right? So substituting this all values here, I is equal to integration. Cos x dx is minus t square. I am writing 1 upon 3 here. Right? 1 minus 9 sin x is t cube raised to 1 upon 3 and dt. So this 3 will be cut. So this is minus 1 upon 3 integration t dt, and the integration of this is minus 1 upon 3 integration is t square by 2 and plus c. So minus 1 upon 6 t square. Right? So t square means you have to write this power is 3 by 2. This power is 3 by 2. Right? So this is 1 minus 9 sin x raised to, this is t cube. So this is 1 upon 3 and this is 2. So we have to write 2 by 3 plus c. 2 by 3 plus c. So this is A and this is B. So this B must be here in power. Right? Then A plus B. So what is A? A is minus 1 upon 6 and B is 2 by 3. So A plus B, I am writing here, A plus B is equal to minus 1 upon 6 plus 2 by 3. So 6 is LCM. So minus 1 plus 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 by 6, that is half. So A plus B is half is the correct answer, that is option C. Option C is your correct answer. So make change in your data, in your PDF, that this B must be here. This B must be here. Okay. So make this necessary changing. Now next question is also from 2016 exam. Question number 57. F dash x is equal to x square plus 2x. Then integration fx dx is equal to. Now this is f dash x is given and we require fx. So derivative is given and we require function. Then we have to integrate both sides. Right? So fx is equal to, integrating both sides, we get integration of this is x cube by 3 and this is 2 x square by 2 and plus c. I am writing c. So this is your fx. So now integration of fx dx. So therefore integration fx dx is equal to integration of x cube by 3 plus x square plus c and dx. These two will be cut, right? So now integrating this, integration of x cube is x raised to 4 by 4. So this is x raised to 4 by 4 and 3, that is 12 plus x cube by 3 plus c into x and plus k is the arbitrary constant and k is arbitrary constant. So your answer will be x raised to 4 by 12 plus x cube by 3 plus cx plus k. That is option C is your correct answer. So option C is correct answer, right?